the main page though, let's go through our settings application. So click on the settings. Now this page is going to come up. Now this is very similar to your iPhone. If you ever use an iPhone or iPad, it's basically the same layout as that. So you can see a bunch of different things. The big thing is right under general. So click into your general settings by hovering over and just tapping on your index finger. Look over here under general, and you want to go and just kind of do two things. One, go onto about and just look at the about. So I just clicked on like 10 different things. Your Vision OS version. Keep in mind what Vision OS version you're currently in. Go and drag down, you can see some other information too, but just keep in mind your Vision OS version. Now click on the back button and you want to click on software update. Now chances are if you're watching this, there may already be a software update available for you. What I would 1000% recommend doing is just going through and updating your headset. So get into this panel, just go ahead and update your headset. This will not only give you new features and everything like that, but it will also give you cool little updates going on with your particular headset too. There are things happening all the time within your headset, and I'd recommend going through and basically, getting access to your settings. So keep your headset up to date, and that's one way to do it. Now hopping back out, if we go and look down and click on X, we'll come back into our main page.